Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking proper care. Welcome back to your EVS class students. Today we will be doing chapter number 9, that is importance of water. You know, on this earth 71% is covered with water. That means around 3/4 of the surface is covered with water. The majority of water is in the form of oceans and seas and is salty. And the salty water we cannot use for drinking and other things, that is cooking, washing clothes, cleaning the house, etc. So that is why we have shortage of water. And almost all of it, around 96.5%, is salty water. Just 3.5% of water on the earth is fresh water and we can use it for drinking. That is why we have shortage of water. There are some other reasons for water scarcity. Now, what is water scarcity? The shortage of fresh water used to fulfill our daily needs is known as water scarcity. That means साफ पानी की कमी होना, जिसको हम घर की चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट आर द रीजंस फॉर दैट? क्यों वाटर स्कैर्सिटी होती है? नंबर 1, the number of people staying on the earth is increasing. Because the people are increasing, so the demand for water is more. Number 2, some people in our country, some places in our country gets very less rainfall. There are some places like Rajasthan where we have very less rainfall, so that is why they have to face the problem of scarcity of water. Number 3, rainwater is not harvested properly. The rainwater is not collected, it's not harvested. Number 4, there is the fresh water that we are getting. We are just wasting that fresh water. So that is wrong. So these were the reasons why we are facing the shortage of water. Now, what is water conservation? Water conservation means reducing the usage of water and recycling of wastewater for different purposes, such as cleaning, household work, manufacturing and agricultural irrigation. Water conservation means the amount of water you need. जितनी पानी की ज़रूरत हो सिर्फ उतना ही यूज़ करना. Number 2, recycling of wastewater. The water that we have already used, जो पानी हम एक बार यूज़ कर चुके हैं, we can reuse that water. Like the water that is used for washing the vegetables can be used in household work, like for cleaning the floor. So we should not waste water. We should save water. Water is very precious. Now, there are some ways how we are wasting the water. Just look at it. We should make sure that taps are turned off properly at home and school. If you are seeing anywhere that the tap water is just falling unnecessarily, you should just close the tap. Number 2, a lot of water is wasted due to leakage in pipelines. So that pipelines should be immediately repaired. Number 3, there is no need to keep the water running while brushing your teeth. Number 4, bathtubs and showers requires more water. Water can be filled in buckets and then can be used for bathing. Now I have told you, for bathing we can just fill the water in buckets and then we can use. Some people keep the water running while washing dishes. So in that also lot of water is wasted. So we should take care that we do not waste water. Water is very precious. Now, from where we get water? Rain. Rain is the main source of water. If there will be no rain, then there will be no water. Then how we will live? How we will survive? So rain is the main source of water. But we get rain only for 3 to 4 months in a year. But if we can store this rainwater, it can be used for rest of the year. What is storing? It means collecting and storing the rainwater before it reaches the ground. So means we can harvest the water. We can just collect and store the rainwater before it reaches the ground. Now how we can harvest the rainwater? There are some simple ways of rainwater harvesting. First one is we can collect the rainwater in tanks. The rainwater falling on the roof of the house can be collected in water tanks. The water can be collected with the help of the pipes, and then that water can be filtered and can be used for washing dishes, gardening or washroom, etc. But that water is not safe, so we cannot use that water for drinking. Now another way is tanka. What is tanka? Tanka is another way of rainwater harvesting commonly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Tanka is an underground tank that is built inside the house. The water that comes from the sloping roof gets collected in the tanks with the help of the pipes. Then a sieve is attached to it so that all the dirt is just collected above and the dirt do not goes from the pipe through the pipe, and then the water is collected inside the tanka. The tanka is very large, so a lot of water can be collected that will be sufficient for 6 to 8 months. Now the tanka is the inner walls of the tanka are covered with tiles so that it keeps the water clean and cool. This water can be used for drinking. So these are the two ways how we can collect the rainwater. I hope students you have understood. Just go through the chapter, read the chapter very carefully. I hope now nobody will waste water because water is very, very precious. We should save water because there is no life without water. Thank you students. Stay home.